The Peperomia San Marino, a textured treasure for plant enthusiasts. My name is Ferb Vu, and like many of you, I'm captivated by the world of houseplants. Recently, the Peperomia San Marino has captured my attention with its unique charm. These little guys boast vibrantly colored, textured leaves that add a touch of whimsy to any indoor space. But beyond their captivating looks, Peperomia San Marino offers a delightful surprise. They're incredibly easy to care for. Intrigued? If you're looking for a low-maintenance plant that packs a visual punch, the Peperomia San Marino might be your perfect match. In this guide, I'll share my experiences and everything I've learned about caring for this delightful little succulent. Finding your Peperomia San Marino. The Peperomia San Marino, sometimes called the Peperomia rosso, isn't the most common houseplant. However, with a little searching, you can find them at local nurseries or online retailers specializing in unique botanical finds. Peperomia San Marino versus Rosso. I've noticed that Peperomia San Marino has a more vibrant, lush green color that really stands out in my plant collection, while Peperomia Rosso has these fascinating red undersides to its leaves that add a unique pop of color. What to look for in a healthy Peperomia San Marino. When choosing your Peperomia San Marino, keep an eye out for a few key features. Vibrant foliage. The leaves should be a rich, deep red or green, with a healthy sheen. Avoid plants with dull or discolored leaves. Compact growth. Peperomia San Marino are naturally compact plants. Look for one with a full, bushy appearance and firm stems. Healthy soil. The soil should be slightly moist but not soggy. Avoid plants sitting in water or with visible mold on the soil surface. How to care for Peperomia San Marino. Here's the beauty of the Peperomia San Marino. They require minimal effort to thrive indoors. Light. These plants prefer bright, indirect light. A spot near an east-facing window is ideal. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Watering. Thanks to their succulent-like leaves, Peperomia San Marino are drought-tolerant. Allow the top inch of soil to dry completely before watering. Overwatering is a leading cause of problems, so err on the side of underwatering. Soil. A well-draining potting mix is essential. Look for a commercial cactus or succulent mix, or create your own by combining regular potting soil with perlite or sand for increased drainage. Fertilizer. Peperomia San Marino are not heavy feeders. A balanced, diluted liquid fertilizer applied once a month during the growing season, spring and summer, is sufficient. Humidity and temperature. Peperomia San Marino prefer average household humidity levels. However, if the air gets particularly dry, occasional misting can be helpful. They thrive in moderate temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing them near drafts or sudden temperature changes. Potential problems and solutions. While generally low maintenance, there are a few potential issues to keep an eye out for. Leaf dropping. This is usually a sign of overwatering. Allow the soil to dry completely between waterings. Stunted growth. Insufficient light can cause slow growth. Try moving your plant to a brighter location. Mealybugs. These tiny white insects can infest the leaves and stems. Treat them with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Can you propagate Peperomia San Marino? Absolutely. These plants can be easily propagated from leaf cuttings. Here's a quick guide. Select a healthy leaf with a short stem attached. Using a sharp knife, carefully remove the leaf from the main stem. Allow the cut end to callus over for a day or two. Plant the leaf cutting in a pot with moist, well-draining soil. Keep the soil slightly moist and provide bright, indirect light. With a little patience, you'll see new growth emerge in a few weeks. Peperomia San Marino, a perfect pairing. The compact size and vibrant colors of the Peperomia San Marino make them ideal for various locations in your home. Here are some ideas. Bookshelves. Add a touch of life to your bookshelf with a small pot of Peperomia San Marino nestled amongst your favorite reads. Office desks. Bring a pop of color and texture to your workspace with a Peperomia San Marino. Terrariums. These plants are perfect additions to terrariums, creating a miniature world within a glass container. The Peperomia San Marino's easy care and captivating beauty make it a fantastic choice for both seasoned plant enthusiasts and beginners alike. So, if you're looking for a low-maintenance houseplant that offers a unique aesthetic and thrives on neglect, the Peperomia San Marino might just be your perfect match. With its vibrant foliage and charming personality, this little succulent is sure to add a touch of whimsy and effortless style to your indoor space.